Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying full-screen mode and picking a lower display resolution. This creates the stretched look. Open your game settings, choose full screen, and select the target resolution, for example 1280x960 on a 1920x1080 monitor. Once done, make sure GPU scaling is disabled in your graphics control panel so the game, not the GPU, performs the stretch. Also, close overlays and capture software that can force scaling. These interfere with the intended full-screen behavior. Next, dive into your GPU control panel and the game's advanced video options. In NVIDIA or AMD, set scaling to use the display or to perform no scaling on the GPU, depending on your goal, and choose the aspect ratio option that forces horizontal stretch. In the game, match the internal resolution and aspect to your chosen values and tweak render scale if available. If you feel input lag, try turning off VSync. If tearing appears, re-enable it or use adaptive sync to balance visuals and responsiveness. To finish, playtest several resolutions to find the level of horizontal stretch that helps your aim or visibility. Once satisfied, save profiles in both the game and GPU panel so settings persist. Sometimes a reboot is needed if resolution changes fail to apply. If you get visual artifacts or weird colors, update or roll back graphics drivers, reset to native resolution, and repeat the steps carefully. Remember, one quick troubleshoot is toggling full screen off and back on, that often forces correct scaling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.